How to take a screenshot on any Android device. So, taking a screenshot on Android device might be different and there might be different shortcuts on different Android devices. So, it's Realme device. So, in this Realme device or Realme Android device, you can simply scroll or swipe down on this home screen and simply from the shortcuts you can tap on a screenshot and then simply take a screenshot of your image or anything you would like to. Or else if you don't find the shortcut option here on the shortcut, you can simply tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on edit tiles. Once done, under more function, you have to scroll and find out screenshot. Once you find out, you can simply tap and hold and drag it on the shortcut menu bar. So, and then you can simply tap on screenshot and take a screenshot. The next thing you can do to take a screenshot is you can simply click on the volume down and the power button. So let me do it again. It's not happening. So other way is you can simply go to settings and go to additional settings and now scroll and under additional settings select screenshot. So on this screenshot there are different shortcuts that you can apply in order to take a screenshot. So you must toggle on the three finger swipe down button, three finger touch and hold button, and power and volume down buttons. So if you want to see the tutorials, you can simply tap on tutorials and tap on screenshot. So when you tap on the screenshot, here is the tutorial. So in order to take a screenshot, you can simply use your three fingers and swipe towards down. Once done, the screenshot has been successfully taken. Another is the partial screenshot. Let's open the partial screenshot tutorial. And you simply need to touch and hold with three fingers and release. So let's do it. Once done, as you can see, we can drag to select a rectangular area in this way, and then you can simply take a screenshot. So let's try. Let's use our three fingers and then tap and hold, and you can swipe down or lift your message as well. And as you can see, we can also mark up here, use the pixelate crop to shape, and more edit option are here. So once you have done that, you need to tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and once done, our screenshot has already been saved. So for the volume down and power button, let's give a try again. And as you can see, it has successfully screenshotted our image. So make sure you have toggle on the shortcuts buttons on your additional settings of shortcuts. So in this way there are different ways to take a screenshot on Realme Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.